Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to make some juicy oven baked herb chicken. Crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. I used 2 small hens and soaked them in a salt brine prior, about 24 ounces each. First, we will rub some garlic on the chicken. You can skip this step if you're not a big garlic person. Put to the side, and we're going to begin mixing our dry ingredients. I have basil, parsley, and sea salt. Also, if you have any rosemary, feel free to add in some rosemary, but today I didn't have any, so we are going to go without that. We're going to grind a generous amount of fresh ground black peppercorn. Give it a nice mix. And begin to coat your chicken with the dry rub. Sprinkle some fresh lemon juice and olive oil. I'm going to change out the foil underneath before we put it in the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and cook for about an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes based on the size of your chickens. Check on your chickens and they should be nice and toasty on the outside. And we're going to build a loose tent made out of foil. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before cutting into the chicken. Cut the chicken into small pieces or serve whole. And enjoy with your favorite sides. Like, comment, and subscribe.